Hey everybody, we are doing the Sidney Crosby Marks distinction here in JPM out of 25, autoed. Let's set this up and start by going live. It is right now 5:27 p.m. in Toronto. So we're going to grab our list here. We've got Jeff on top and Stefan on the bottom. So let's do our list randomizer. So there is our list of 10 people that are involved in this. Everybody is all good there. So we got Jeff, Andre, Sean, Chad, Riley, Jordan, Sean, Andre, Paul, and Stefan. We are going to go 5 times with timestamps on 4 and 5. So let's do this up. So we've got 1, Chad on top. 2, Riley on top. 3, Jeff on top. 4, we got Sean on top. And we're going to take our timestamp over. If I can get past all the gifts here. And right now it is 5:28. We're going to go back. We're going to do our 5th and final timestamp. So, number 5. Number 9, Paul Methot is on top. Paul, you are the winner. We're going to take our timestamp right now. Throw that in here. And check our times there. 5:29. And 5:29 now. So we are all good. Paul Methot with spot number 9. The Crosby is yours. Give me a shout and I will get that out to you ASAP. Congrats, guys, and we are done.